Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Redmi Note 14 Plus. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Then click search and click install. And now you can click open. And here you can set your default browser, or you can click cancel. Now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in into your Firefox account, or you can click not now. And you can turn notifications, or you can click not now again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.